Today, I'm going to show you how to do spark plugs on an 11th gen or 2024 Civic Si. The first thing I want to say is make sure to use a quality spark plug. If you use stuff like Autolite, you will end up with failure.
So first, you're going to want to find your 10mm and break loose all of the bolts that are holding in the coil packs. If it isn't already done, it's always a good idea to number your coil packs so that you don't get them mixed up. And then you can carefully remove the plastic connectors. Next, remove the coil packs. Then you'll need a 14mm deep socket and an extension. Next, you can crack loose all of the spark plugs. Then you can continue removing them by hand. Then use a magnet to take out the old spark plugs. You should always make sure to inspect your old spark plugs because it's a really good indicator of the health of your engine. Next, you can drop the new spark plugs into the spark plug holes. Always make sure to thread them in by hand at first and then continue with a ratchet. These should be torqued down to 19 foot-pounds. Then you can carefully insert the ignition coils back in. Lastly, tighten up those ignition coil bolts and don't forget to inspect your work.
Anyway, so that's how you can change the spark plugs on your 2024 Si with only simple hand tools. If you like watching this kind of content, make sure to let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.